All right. What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, we're going to be working on putting these mirrors, the EG mirrors, all back together. I ended up taking them all apart to get them, painted, just so I can get good coverage on the mirrors, specifically in all the little hidden areas where, you weren't going to be able to get paint on, all mounted, all put together. So yeah, we're going to put the mirrors all back together. I'm going to see if I could show you a quick little video on how I went about putting them back together and then mounting them onto the car. I ended up doing this side already, and I got the bright idea. I'm like, hey, someone might want to learn how to do this just in case they don't know how. This video I will show you how to go about that. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into this. Alright guys, so we're going to start off, the tools you're going to need a Phillips and a small little pointy pick, just so you could be able to de-pin this plug so you could run it through the one hole on this bracket. So yeah, with that being said, let's start off with mounting the actual mirror onto the mirror holder, or whatever you want to call this. So yeah, let's start off with that. Yeah, we're going to start off by taking up all the Phillips that are on here, removing them out, so then you could start placing that mirror back in there. Alright, yeah, be mindful, you're going to have two sets of screws. You're going to have these little tiny ones and ones that are a bit longer. The longer ones go in a certain area, so just take a mental notice to where they go. So we're gonna start off by placing this on here. You're gonna have to take the mirror off this bracket. So underneath is gonna be a little Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw. Just leave it loose. Pop this aside. That way you could remove the mirror that way. Sink it right into the slot here. And then drop it down. And then once you tighten this little bracket's gonna, push into the actual mirror and lock it in place. So yeah. So, one of the long bolts, you're going to start off with the bolt with the screw up top. That one's the longer one. So the longer ones is going to be this one, the one in the corner over here, and then one at the bottom of the top one here. So yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Those are the ones that take the longer screws, Phillips screws. So yeah. And a note, this bottom one, you put that in last, because you gotta finagle that other piece over there. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about, but yeah, put that in last. So yeah, so what you should have now is that screw there in. That one takes a little of the smaller screw, and then this top one up here. So yeah, 1, 2, and then the one in this corner over here. That's where you should be at right now. Now, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna grab the mirror, see if you get, and slide it right through this other bracket piece, and clip this piece on. There's one clip back here. There you go. Once you hear a click, you're good. Now, if you see, all the little tabs are going to be lined up where to put the other screws. This bottom portion here, as you can tell, that's where that other long one's going to be. Now you can install the longer screw in there. And yeah, take your time and make sure you just get it right in the hole and you're good. Yeah. So there you go, that bottom one. You can see it. You see in the camera. That one right there. That one. So yeah, now you can go ahead and install all the other little screws on all these exposed tabs. These are, you know, these plastics are very old and brittle, man. You don't want to break them, you know, screwing the little these screws in there. So just, you know, tighten them until you feel them that they're snug. Don't go crazy on them, because last thing you want to do is have one of them little plastic pieces break, and it ain't the end of the world, but yeah, you just don't want them to break. Just like that. Now, for the mirror part, you guys remember, it's going to be a little tight work in here. You're going to have a little hole down at the bottom, right, where you're going to fit your Phillips screwdriver in there. And if you could see it, see it. There's that that little bracket. You're going to try to finagle this black, you know, this block in there, and then tighten the screw from the bottom to hold the mirror in place. So remember, you're gonna go in an angle. Start at the top, away the top. This is the bottom where the screw is at. So yeah, the top portion, you're gonna enter that side in first, and once that's in, then just drop the mirror into its little spot and screw that little screw into to tighten that block into place. If you're having trouble getting this to sit in there flush, back the screw out a little bit, you know, and give yourself a little bit of room. Be careful, because if that screw comes out completely and that little bracket piece comes off, you're gonna have to take this whole mirror back apart. So just be careful with that. I'm gonna back out the screw a little bit. Yeah, what I tend to do, I back in the screw out a little bit while pushing down on the glass right here to see if to get it to fit in. There you go. It fell into place. Now, once it falls into place, tighten the screw, and you should be good. Remember, guys, don't go crazy on these little screws. They're old. The plastic's brittle, and yeah. Now the glass is in there, you don't got to worry about that coming out. Try to take a mental note as to which way the wires are going. So I ended up marking the actual plug on mine. I put T for top and then R for right. So yeah, you got 3 wires starting off on the right side of the plug. You're gonna have a yellow wire with the white stripe. Then in the middle, you're gonna have a blue wire with the green stripe, and then a blue wire with the black stripe. Get that done real quick. It's raining. So now that the wires are on the inside, you want to, you know, just screw the mirror into place. That way you don't got to worry about it. So. guys, now that it's bolted down and the wires are here, this is when you go to put this little cover back on. So just slide the cover through the wires just like this. So all the way down, give yourself some room to work with this. So yeah, remember this one top right. So we're gonna start off with the yellow wire with the white stripe, and we're gonna put it on the far right. Then you got the blue with the green stripe, that's gonna be right next to it to the left, in the middle. And then the last one is blue with the black stripe, which is gonna be the first one. So yeah, just like that, that is the sequence. Now you can slide the cover back on, cover the wires up, and there's gonna be a little channel here where you would feed that wire and mount it onto these two screws right there. So be careful, I don't press the mirror, the paint up. Yeah, when you hear click, it's on there. That's the plug of the actual mirror, that white plug that we ended up depinning, that it sank into the hole. So just like that. Guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video or found this video informative, I would ask if you guys would please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you guys be the first to be notified whenever I put out a new video. Until next time, stay blessed. Peace.